Namaste friends. If you bought a new house, or if you want to renovate your old house, or if you just imagining like how would it look if you change the furniture with the new one, or if you change the color of your living space. So before you go to any architect firm or agency, make sure you check these kind of AI models and try it by yourself. In few bucks, you can generate hundreds of newly renovated photos for interior designing of your house. You get a lot of ideas and you might make it ready without hiring any architect. So without waiting, let's go to the tool and let me show you how you can use this tool. So let's go to the tools website. You can find the link in the description. So once you click on it, you will reach to website. Click on start for free and log in using your Google account. Once you log in, you will see it provides 12 free credit to start with. Okay. Once you log in, you reach to the dashboard. On the dashboard, it's a clean and minimal, and you can see on the left side we have all the different features like interior, exterior, furniture and architect. So in today's video, we are going to check about interior design. So let's quickly click on interior design. Now you see on the right side, we have a free AI interior design option. So click on image part and take a picture of your image. So make sure you have a perfect photo to upload in the AI, because AI does not understand anything. It's just taking a look at your photo provided. So your photo should be with the straight angle. It includes the ceiling part, flooring part, all the wall part. Then AI can understand the distance between the walls and it can generate a proper interior designing. So let's try for our photo. So you can see we have a small living space and we want to design it. So click on living room. Then in the style, I just want to keep it as a modern as it is. You can also select any of them like industrial or minimalistic. I'll keep the modern. If you have any color scheme in your mind, you can select it, or you can just leave it as it is. The brightness, I like the bright color, so I just keep it as much as possible. So I'll make it to 75%. Space size, I need as much as possible, so I'll keep it increased. Then we have a box about custom requirement. So let's say if you want have a 5-seater sofa, you need the 1 TV set. If you need any specific color curtain or ceiling, you can mention it here. For our use case, I'm just keeping it blank and just click on generate. Now AI will start analyzing your image and start generating as per your requirement. So now you can see on your screen how this tool has completely redesigned my living space. What I like about it, it didn't change any of the dimension. So you can see the balcony, the sliders, and they used the sofa, 3-seater, TV sets and extra chairs. The same way you can download the same design, you can give it to your architect or you can give it to your carpenter to tell them like this is what I'm looking for. So now let's move on and let's check the AI room decorator. So AI room decorators basically decorate your room. It's not going to change your ceiling or flooring. It's going to add only the furnitures and different electronics part. So let's check it out with one example and see how does it make difference. So again, it's the same process. Let's click on upload your room photo. And this time I'm going to select one image of my bedroom. So you see a empty bedroom with the straight angle photograph. Now there are two options, style or custom. So if you click on custom, you can just write down the entire requirement with the prompt. And if you are not familiar or good with prompt, you can just click on style and select the choices. So I'm going to select the bedroom, and you can see here different room style with the images, so you get the idea what every style meaning. So I just want to keep it as modern. Let me try to change with minimalistic. So I just selected minimalist and click on generate. So again, this here takes only few seconds, and now you have a second image with fully decorated your bedroom. Okay, now you can see on your screen our image is ready, and you can see the before and after. So I selected minimalistic, so it didn't change much of the things. It kept as it is. It changed the ceiling color, added the curtain, and just my bedroom. I like the carpet and the color combination it provided. Looks really good. I can just take the photographs. Even I just go online, buy the similar kind of bed for my room, or I can just give it to my carpenter and they are going to create the similar bed for me. So you can save a lot of money. Now let's go to the next one. This is a AI room cleaner. This is a unique feature where you can just upload your current furnished room or kitchen or bathroom image, and this AI remove all the furnished part from your room. So now you have empty room which you can use it to again redesign the entire area. So let's try with this feature. Again, it's a similar process. You have to upload your image. So this time I'm going to select the image with bedroom, and this time the image size is also different, and just click on generate and done. Now look at the final output. It understood the image, it zoomed in, and you see it removed all the furnished part from the room, and you can see the room as it is. So now let's take a look at paint color visualizers. So you see in this tool they have divided each part of interior designing into different features. So it's very easy for you to just go select it and just change it, and you get the result within few minutes. So it's not a prompt based, it's just a drag and drop of your image, select the option and hit on generate. Straightforward, simple, and you get the output which you are looking for. So in paint color visualizer, you just have to upload your image, then select which area you want to change the color with. I just want to change the color of my wall. So I'll select the wall, and the color I want to change it to something like this. Then if you have a specific requirement, you can put it down as in custom requirements, and you just need to hit on generate. And it's that simple. You can see your final output in just few seconds. So now you can see the final output here, and you can see the difference between before and after. Actually, I like the color of the wall, and now I can give it to my painters. So the same way you can try it any of your walls before you start applying colors and check it out how would it like. Next is style transfer, where you have to upload your current or old furnished photo. For example, I'm just going to upload here my kitchen photo, and I want a modern kind of kitchen. So I'm just going to upload the modern style kitchen image as the reference. So the reference image, I just took it from online. You can check it out, and whichever you like, you can just download and upload it here. And the transfer strength I want to 100%. I don't want anything from my old style furniture. I need everything as a modern. So that's it. Just you have to click on generate, and in few seconds this AI is completely converting your old furniture into a new furniture. Now you can see how it changed the furniture. You can download this image and you can see by yourself. The same way you can try all these features And if you want to try even with exterior design of your house, you can try it like this. For your landscape design, garden design, if you have a rooftop garden, you can also try it here. Here you can see only the furniture layout, where this AI just changing the same furniture with the different angles, so you get some different ideas before you actually make that setting. AI furniture generator, change furniture AI. So now you see we have a different color sofa, and we can see how does it look different. Same way, they also provide the architectural option where you can create the 3D floor plan. So if you have a 3D floor plan from your builder or developer of your house, you can also put it here and see a different layout, how you can set up your furniture here. Floor plan generator, sketch to render, architecture generator, and AI blueprint generator. So you can try all those features. It takes 4 credits for each image, and if you look at their plan, in $10 you get 400 credits, means you can generate 100 photographs. So in $10 you can see hundreds of different ideas for your kitchen, bedroom, your living space, your gardens, for your exterior, for your bathroom, and so on. So without waiting, just log into this tool and try with 12 free credits, and if you really find it useful, you can also try with their premium plan. So I hope in this video you learned that how easily nowadays you can use AI and interior your own house by yourself. You can get thousands of ideas in just few bucks. So if you are hiring any architect, or if you are going to do any kind of renovation changes to your house or office, make sure you try this kind of AI tools. So if you found this video useful, make sure you hit on like button, subscribe my channel, and share this video with your friends who need this kind of AI model. See you in the next one.